Today, we're answering a big question. TensorFlow versus Keras. Which one is better? Let's break it down clearly and fast. First, here's the key thing to understand. Keras is now part of TensorFlow. So this isn't really a fight. It's about how deep you want to go. Let's start with Keras. Keras Pros. Extremely easy to learn and use. Clean, readable code, perfect for beginners. It has a fast model built in with less code, and is ideal for prototyping and experimentation. Keras Cons, less control over low-level operations, and also not ideal for highly customized or complex training logic. Now, let's talk about TensorFlow. TensorFlow Pros, full control over models and training, also powerful for large-scale and production systems. And it's better for custom architectures and optimization. It is also used heavily in enterprise and research. TensorFlow Cons, it has a steeper learning curve, it's more complex and verbose code. So which one is better? Use Keras if you are a beginner, student, or want fast ultra results with minimum code. Use TensorFlow directly if you're building advanced models, custom training loops, or production level system. The truth, most developers use Keras on top of TensorFlow, getting simplicity and power. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.